Alrighty, what is going on, everybody? It is Tyler Creates, back again with another YouTube video. Today's going to be a simple video on removal and replacement of the coil pack on my 2000 V6 Mustang. I'm also going to be taking the plug wires off. This is part of a bigger project. This video is just going to be a small piece. I'm actually taking this entire intake piece off because I got a gasket for it, and I'm also doing a video on how to paint an intake like this. So if you're interested in that, head over to the channel. It may be uploaded, I'm not sure. So after I disconnect my battery, which I forgot to do, we're going to take all these off. These are all 7 mil, and there's a little clip here that you have to take off the flathead. So as soon as I get the battery disconnected, we will do that, and also disconnect all the plug wires. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 through 3 on that side, 4 through 6 on this side, and they both run towards the rear of the car. But other than that, I'll catch you guys in a second when I get the battery disconnected. You're going to take these off. This one's already loosened. This one here, I'm just going to get down under there, pop it off. Maybe wondering why I'm using this. I don't have a 7 and a 3/8, I think, or half. Needs to be a deep socket because this one on the back side is a stud style. So the nut's been ran halfway down on a stud for that thing, and then on the bottom here there is also a for radio. It eliminates static signal, I think, coming from the charge pack. It's down on the bottom corner behind. So I got all those loose. Next thing you're gonna want to do, disconnect all the plug wires from here, pull them all off. Just remember, 4, 6, and 5 are on top. 6 is in the middle. On the bottom, it's 3, 2, and 1. It looks like number 4 over here has a clip that's mounted to the, I don't know if I can get this one out of the road that's stuck on the exhaust. Okay, so it looks like number 4 over here, looks like there's a clip that holds it to the valve cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and pop that one off. Okay, so you can't pop it off from this side. Looks like you have to come back through from over here. You can't go at it from the front, you gotta go at it from, I believe, the back, or you go at it from the center and you just kinda. So there's a clip on the back of the engine that they're held on by another like 3-way clip piece. And this one you just pop open. This one's a different design. I'll show you guys this one. This one's definitely a little hard to get to. This one's different than the other ones. This one looks like this here. That's what this one looks like. It's got that little piece on the back, and it sits like this on the back side of the engine over there. So now that we got that one off, my screwdriver, we'll go ahead and move over to the other side. So we're gonna have to take the intake off, which is fine because I plan on doing that anyways. If you have a stock intake on your car, it's just gonna be pretty much the same. So I'm gonna end up having to take this intake off. I'm gonna take it off anyways because I'm doing the intake plenum upper piece manifold, painting it, taking it off, putting a new gasket on. That here, this is gonna be a number 8, and then that should be able to come off. Just loosen that one up there, loosen this here, and they should pop out of the little grommets in the bottom. Alrighty, so I disconnected the mass airflow sensor, and there's a little sensor behind it I had to disconnect. I actually have to crawl into the car and go into the fender well and take the end filter off, and that will allow me to get that piece out. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. Alrighty, everybody, just got the filter off the end inside there. It's going to be a Phillips or a flathead. This is brand new basically because I did put it on a couple months ago, so still in really, really good condition. So we'll go ahead and set that face down. Next, this should come out now, I hope. Not really sure, to be honest with you. This thing will not come out, no matter what. Watch your head on the hood. Basically, okay. You have to loosen this one and loosen these two, and then it does come out. Sucky design by the people over at Fabrication, whatever it's called. Alright everyone, so we're back over here. You're gonna have a clip here, and it looks like a clip here. And I don't see any clips back behind the engine. So we'll go ahead and get these clips off here. So there's also another clip up here that holds it on. So you got 1, 2, 3 clips in total. Wouldn't surprise me if the other side has that and I just didn't notice. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these hoses off the bottom of this guy here to get them out of the stinking road. They're pretty easy for me to pull off, not sure for you guys. Wouldn't recommend pulling this off because it's fuel hose and fuel line. You definitely don't want to get fuel to the face. Also, you don't want to crack it. These I'm actually gonna have to pull out. You can get a tool to pull them out, but I am not gonna go grab the tool because I don't want to. So there's one. There's another clip back here. Oh, there's actually 2 clips back here. So on this side, you're gonna have, I don't know, a total of, I'm gonna pull that one off too. So these are a little easier to get to. I just realized that where do these things go? Oh, okay. Alrighty, never mind. The holes on these are sized to the holes on that. So should be able to figure out where they go. This is a pain in the butt. Get off. So these things suck a little more than I honestly thought they would. They're really hard to get off. But whatever. It is what it is. I needed to do it. So this clip came off here, which is perfect. This will give me a chance to show you guys what it looks like. So this right here is what this clip looks like. So it slides over the end here. It looks like this one may have broke, maybe not. Oh no, that didn't break. That's like that. So it sits over the end, and the spark plug wire is going there. Alrighty everyone, so I ended up getting it out. There's a clip back there under the intake that you can't get to. You can only get to it with like a finger. So I just ripped them out and the thing popped open and they came off. They go out that way because this end is shorter, obviously, because it's the end that goes on the spark plug. So I pulled them out. They are right over here. So I'll take you guys out. They're right there. They're pretty hosed, really dirty and black. So next up, it's gonna be this side down in here. Okay, so apparently my camera wasn't recording. Went ahead and got all these off, just pulled them off. Number 6 did not want to come off very well, but these also have, all of them have protective sheathing, so I'll want to put that back on when I do that. But pretty simple and straightforward. When I route the new spark plug wires, I will definitely be routing them around the back versus under. I think under is really weird. Looks like 4 and 5 actually don't have anything, but all the other ones for the other side do. And yeah, hopefully that was helpful to somebody. Got them all off on both sides. I was gonna see if I could get a picture of the clip, but the clip is, let's see if I can get it. It's down under there, and I don't really know how you're gonna get to that, so pretty simple. Next up, I'm going to take this intake off. If you want to watch that, head over to the channel. You can see the video on that. Reinstall is pretty simple. You just reinstall them. And then these are all different lengths, by the way, all these spark plug wires. So one's too short or one's too long. Most likely got it in the wrong spot. Other than that, hope this video was helpful. Hopefully this will solve the problem of missing, burbling, doing weird stuff. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. May the Lord bless you. May He watch over you in all your ways. This has been Tyler. Peace out. God bless.